Welcome to a world where wood turning transforms ordinary materials into extraordinary pieces. Today, we're diving into the amazing craftsmanship behind a traditional Bangladeshi bed pillar. Watch as skilled artisans unleash their creativity using incredible wood turning tools. With every precise cut and delicate spin, a simple block of wood begins to take shape. The rhythm of the lathe brings life to the wood, revealing intricate designs that tell a story of tradition and skill. As the shavings fly, you can see the magic happen. Each layer peeled away reveals the beauty hidden within the wood, showcasing its natural grain and texture. This process is not just about creating a bed pillar, it's about honoring the rich heritage of Bangladeshi craftsmanship. With a final touch, the freshly turned bed pillar is polished to perfection, ready to grace homes with its beauty. This is the art of wood turning, a blend of tradition, skill, and creativity. Witness the transformation of a simple Bangladeshi bed pillar into a stunning work of art. In this mesmerizing video, we'll take you on a journey of wood turning magic, showcasing the incredible skills of our craftsmen as they work their wonders on this ordinary piece of furniture. From rough to refined, watch as our talented woodworkers bring out the beauty in this humble bed pillar, using their amazing wood turning tools to create a truly unique and breathtaking piece. Get ready to be amazed by the level of craftsmanship and attention to detail that goes into creating this stunning work of art. Thank you for joining us on this journey of transformation. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of wood turning, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.